The heavy launch of a 50-ton corn milling equipment production line, which integrates cleaning, peeling, crushing, grinding, sieving and packaging functions, and is equipped with a dust removal system and a centralized power control system. It can meet your corn milling production needs in one stop. In the milling process, we use a roller mill with a flat screen to grade the product. This configuration can produce high-quality finished products that far exceed ordinary milling equipment, significantly improving the competitiveness of the product in the market. The absorbency of the finished corn flour can be adjusted according to demand by replacing the bottle screen. It can easily reach more than 60 meshes, and the flour yield is as high as more than 90%. It helps you achieve efficient production and high returns. The packaging process is also flexible. It can provide 5 kilograms to 50 kilograms according to your needs. Various specifications of packaging options are available. The entire production line is not only advanced and perfect in process design, but also highly flexible in process. It can be easily adjusted according to different production needs and product standards. In terms of equipment layout, we have achieved reasonable and compact, effectively saving production space and reducing your operating costs.